Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some fruit salad nails. So I'm going to do 3 different types of fruit nails. We'll do kiwi, orange, and strawberry. So first off, I'm starting with Cure Sky's Exposed, which is just a kind of pinky nude color. I did not get any footage of the bottle for whatever reason. I guess I forgot I used this, but I did 2 coats of this on the nails. And now starting off with the Kiwi Nail, I'm going to use Light Elegance's Sublime Lime from their summer collection. The majority of these colors are from their newest summer collection, so if you haven't seen swatches of that, make sure to go check it out. It's still summer, so let's still enjoy some bright summer nails while we can. So taking this shade, I'm starting from the tip of the nail and I'm slowly dragging the color up. I want it more concentrated on the tip, and then I almost want to fade it out. Now I have not mastered fading out any gel colors, but it's okay if it doesn't come out perfect because we're putting glitter on top anyways, so it's all good. And we're going to do the same thing with the orange nail using Light Elegance's She Is a Copper Catch. This one is not from their newest summer collection, but it is from a previous one. And then for the strawberry, I'm going in with Light Elegance's Charming Cherry. This one is from the recent summer collection, a super bright red. And I'm going to ombre this one as well. So here's what the 3 colors look like, and after that is fully cured, we're going to go back in with matching glitters, and we're going to ombre the glitters on top. So for the kiwi, we'll be using Kiwi To My Heart, super bright green glitter that matches perfectly with Sublime Lime. We're going to go in and do the same thing right on top of the color, but the glitter is going to blend out that line way better. And now these are the little, they're not gems, they're not decals. I don't know what these specific things are. I've had this container for like 3 or 4 years now. Has flowers, fruits, leaves, bows in it, just random things. And so I'm going to take the kiwis and place them into the wet glitter gel. My original plan for this nail was going to be limes until I found out that they were actually kiwis. Now for the orange nail, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Nice Melons. Super bright orange glitter. We're going to fade it the same way and then place in the oranges. I did cut some up as well using some old nippers just to kind of give it a little different design. for the strawberry, we'll be using Light Elegance's Fruit Snacks. This is more of a pinky type of glitter. This glitter is a little bit different than the others, but I feel like it suited the design really well. And now that the glitters and embeds are cured in, you can leave it like this. But I wanted to do it more like the milk bath nails. And so I go in with Light Elegance's Marshmallow, which is a milky white. And I go ahead and cover lightly all of the fruit nails. And in case anyone is interested in the nails I'm wearing, they are these fun cheetah print nails. I will leave a link to that video down below. After the marshmallow color is cured on, I do go back in with each of the same glitters, and I add a little bit more glitter on top just for some dimension. And so now the fruit salad nails are done, but I did want to go in and show you two different designs on how you can use this in a full set. So we're going to start off with the kiwi nails. We'll use the kiwi as an accent finger, and then we're going to go in and do the two end nails in the Sublime Lime, just the solid green color, and then the other middle nail will be Kiwi to My Heart, the green glitter. And once the colors and glitter is cured, I'm going to go into the top coat. Today I'm just going to use Madame Glam's top coat because they are just practice tips. I didn't want to use my nice Light Elegance one. And then while the top coat is still wet, I'm going to go in and use these Fern green Swarovski crystals and add a little cluster in the corner. This is not how I normally apply crystals. If you've watched my videos before, I always use Daily Charms Stay Put Jelly for crystal placement and then surround it with top coat. But again, these are practice tips. I don't want to use my nice products on the practice tips. So here's what the kiwi nails look like, and looking at them now, I think for the specific design I would not have used marshmallow in it. I would have just left it more bold for the kiwis, but this is a good way of how to do an accent with the kiwi and just use a full glitter and then a full green nail, and a little bit of crystals, and you've got a full set of Kiwi nails. And now we're going to go ahead and do a set for the strawberry nails. So on this middle nail, I'm using Light Elegance's Strawberry and Cream, which is a milky pink shimmer kind of a color. And then on the two outer nails, I'm going to use Charming Cherry. And I feel like Strawberries and Cream is the perfect name for this set. This set definitely looks like a Strawberries and Cream nail set. So to change this one up a little bit from the Kiwi set, on the Strawberries and Cream nail, I go in and do a thin coat of the pink glitter, and then I place some more of the strawberry pieces on top of that and do more of a full nail versus the ombre effect of it. Then I go in with top coat, and normally if I was doing this on a person, I would have embedded the little fruit pieces just so that way they weren't so lumpy and bumpy on the nails. But again, practice tips. I'm not going to do all the full steps. I just wanted to show you guys the design. So here's what the Strawberries and Cream nail design looks like. I think they came out super cute. Definitely giving me a little bit of Valentine's vibes with the red and the pink. But I think it would be really fun to do a set for Valentine's Day similar to this, but add some brown like chocolate syrup and do like chocolate covered strawberry nails for Valentine's Day. I think that would be cute. And so that is how I did these fruit salad nails. I didn't do a set for the orange because it was going to get too repetitive. Again, you can do the same kind of thing, change it up, and just use the orange shades. But these are super cute, super fun, and summery. I would have done the kiwi ones on myself. I wanted to do lime until I found out they were actually kiwis. But I just wasn't feeling it now. I was at the beginning of summer. I should have done these nails at the beginning of summer and I would have worn them. But I still wanted to get this video up because I think it's a cute idea and it's fun, and the Light Elegance summer collection has the perfect colors for these nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below which fruit nail you like the best, the kiwi, the orange, or the strawberry. And let me know what other kinds of nail videos you'd like to see from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye!